In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to a project in Todoist. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a couple of minutes. First, open Todoist on your computer or mobile device. If you're on a browser, head to the Todoist website. If you're on the app, just launch it as you normally would. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so your tasks land in the right workspace and sync properly across your devices. Once Todoist is open, look to your sidebar to find your list of projects. Pick the project where you want the new task to live. If you have a lot of projects, you can use the search bar to quickly locate it by name. Clicking into a project brings you to its dedicated task list, which is exactly where we want to be before adding anything new. This keeps everything organized and saves you from having to move tasks later. Inside your chosen project, click the Add Task button. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see a plus icon or a clear Add Task field near the top or bottom of the task list. A task composer will pop up, ready for you to type. Start with a concise, action-oriented title. Something like Draft Monthly Report is better than something vague. You can enrich it with helpful details right here. For the due date, try natural language like tomorrow at 4 p.m. or next Friday, and Todoist will translate it into a proper date and time. You can also set a priority to highlight urgency, add labels to group-related work, or assign the task to a teammate if you're collaborating. If your project uses sections, choose the one that fits so the task appears exactly where it should. Add any notes in the description to capture context, links, or quick checklists, and you'll thank yourself later. When it looks good, confirm by clicking Add Task or pressing Enter. That's it. The new task appears right in your project list. If you don't see it where you expect, check your sorting or section selection. You can drag the task to reorder it, click to edit any details, or add subtasks later if the work has multiple steps. Everything saves automatically and syncs across devices, so you're set whether you're on desktop or mobile. And you're done. You've opened Todoist, navigated to your project, and added a task with the key details that keep you organized. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.